Yes, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I open Magic the Gathering boosters for your viewing pleasure. It's been a while since I made a video, but now I'm back in full throttle, as they say, as I'm going to open one of these Streets of New Capenna theme booster pack. And to top it off, I have a Brother Wars set booster. So, as I always say, hopefully I will open some value in these. As I start with this, there are some cards that are very valuable that you can get in this set. And when it is a theme booster, you have a higher percentage rate to get these kind of cards. So yeah, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. A lot of plastic and a lot of cardboard to open these. And as you see, they are plastic around this too, so they are protected. So yes, let's begin. First and foremost, we have these cool lands, the Broker's Hideout, and we got Sparros Adjudicators in the Showcase variant. And always you can click to pause the video so you can read what the individual cards do, if you're interested, of course. Voice of the Vermin. Broker's Initiate. A backup agent. Put them on counter. Yes. Take to the Streets. A Dapper Shieldmate. The Boon of Safety. A Metropolis Angel. Broker's Veteran. Another Boon of Safety. The special thing about these kind of theme boosters, before I continue, are that you can put these directly into a deck and start playing. Disciplined Duelist, double strike 2/1 with a shield counter on it. Another Broker's Veteran. As you can see, that you get a lot of the same cards. Prize Fight. Kind of good fight card. Lagrella, the Magpie, a legendary creature, human soldier. When it enters the battlefield, exile any number of target creatures controlled by different players until Lagrella leaves the battlefield. When an exiled card enters the battlefield under your control this way, put a 2/1/1 counters on it. So this is a really good card in Limited, that you play it and you exile a lot of your opponent's cards. Really good. Another Hideout. Another Sparros Adjudicators. This in the original art. A Broker's Charm. Destroy target enchantment, draw 2 cards, or target creature you control gets +1/+0 until end of turn. So it's a fight card, destroy target enchantment, or draw 2 cards. Really good in Commander. Destroy target creature, run out of town, Witness Protection, a really good removal card, also in Limited. Slip Out the Bag, also a good card. Initiate Windshield Agent. A third Broker's Veteran. A third Broker's Hideout. Another Broker's Charm. another Adjudicators, Revelation of Power, Angelic Observer. Just a few cards left. I wonder when the rare cards come. There are at least one rare in these. Celestial Regulator, a Civic Gardener, and an Endless Detour. I don't think I have ever seen this card. The owner of target spell, non-permanent, or card in a graveyard puts it on top or bottom of the library. Kind of bad card. Yeah, so yeah, it was a bust. So the only interesting cards were these, the Charms, Lagrella, and the showcase version of Sparas Adjudicators were the only interesting cards in this. Yeah. As always, you can't win them all, but it is fun to open these. And now for the big part of this video, to see in the Brother War if I can get any of these awesome Transformers cards, the list cards, the awesome retro border artifacts, and of those retro border artifacts, I really want a Wormcoil engine from these. So yeah, let's open it up and see. Let's see if we can open this. Yeah, there you have it. As always, we start with the art cards. Here we have the Steel Seraph, Forest, Atomical Honor Guard, a Deft Charge Colossus. I really like the art on this. Too bad it's really weak for that kind of mana. Because if you see one of these on the battlefield, you know that you have lost the match. For reals, if you have the bad luck of seeing this in real life. We have a Rust Goliath, a Thran Power Suit, Audacity, the Blanche with Armor, a Bushwhack, and first for our retro border artifact we get a Chromatic Star. Really kind of cool, and some decks in Modern use these, so yeah, cool to have. And we get a Mythic, a Caged Sun. Caged Sun is really good in Commander. When it enters the battlefield, choose a color. Creature of the chosen color get +1/+1, and whenever a land's ability causes you to add one or more mana to the chosen color, add one additional mana out of that color. So it's mana ramp fixing, and creatures of the chosen color get stronger. So this is a really good card in Commander. And we get an Argoth, Sanctum of Nature. It enters the battlefield tapped unless you control a legendary creature. Tap for green, and for 2 mana and 2, create a 2/2 green bear creature token. And a foil Urza's Rebuff. So yeah, kind of cool booster this also. We got an Argoth, we got a Caged Sun, we got a Chromatic Star. So yeah, kind of cool booster. I don't know if I got value, but I think so. I will look it up. I will look it up after this video. So yeah, hopefully you had fun watching this video as I had opening it. And if you want to see more of all this kind of videos, you can click to subscribe and click the like button so many more people will see them and I can open more boosters for you. So yeah, Thank you, and have a really good rest of your day. Thank you.